All right, it's 32nd Thursday, and I really wanted to quickly highlight this little guy right here, which could be a lifesaver when you're out and about and need a quick little tripod. Boom. Okay, I found this little thing on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description, but this is just a little attachment that you can just put on any bottle or shape of a bottle, and it works. So let's say you're at a party and you want to do a selfie, but you don't want somebody to be left out. You can just pop this right here on top of it, set it back, set the timer, and guess what? You get your picture and you save the day. And I'm sure there's ways to get really creative with this, like some downward facing shots of the bottle. This actually looks like a point of view of somebody drinking. That's amazing. For me, I actually love to use this thing back there where I can get some cool shots facing this way. What's up, everybody? It's 32nd Thursday. You can get really creative with that, but you know what? Time's up. I know it's a bit silly, but it's one of those things I bought on Amazon that might interest you or be a good gift. It's been a while since I've said that. So the question is, do you need this? Of course not. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. Yes, you do need this. I mean, for the price, it's a small thing that you can carry with you that can actually save the day, like trying to get a selfie, or if you just need something really quickly to get that shot and frame it up and set it down. Yeah! All right, I have some awesome gadgets and gizmos to review coming up on this channel, so if you're new here, make sure you... All right, well, I'm out. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Cheers.